Gigglers! Welcome to Rhymes and Giggles! Today we're learning about shapes. Let's jump into our shape adventure.